Hey there, Little Kids Rock family. I'm here today with my boys Jack and Lewin, and we watched Liberty DeVito's Make Drums at Home challenge here, and we followed some of his advice. We got a box, a cracker box with foil on it to be our snare, and then we have we put a couple pans together here to make like a hi-hat, and then we got some basic random stuff you can find in your kitchen. So Jack and Lewin, take it away. All right, Liberty DeVito, transcribe that.